Good morning. So I'm going to show you today the footage from Charlie Bear's GoPro harness. I took him down to Kingscliff Beach about a week ago and he just loved it. I've actually broken the harness because I'm pretty clumsy, but I got it from Doggytopia and I've ordered another one. So in another video I'll show you what it looks like. It's literally just this little backpack thing, and you can put the GoPro on the front or the back. And Charlie was a size small and he's 4 kilos. So it was pretty cute, and yeah, I think it's just a fun little thing to do with your pet. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the footage. I will get the GoPro harness and show you what it looks like when it comes in the mail, but yeah, until then, here's some footage of Charlie Bear.
Good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Come on. Where are you going? You're going on an adventure with your GoPro.